So now we have done the file optimization. Now let's go to media option, and let's enable the lazy load. Just enable this option, this option as well, and you can also add this option as well. Okay, so it's totally up to you. If you want to add it, you can. Okay. um okay, and there is nothing. Just click on save changes. Now I will actually going to tell you what actually these settings will going to help you to. Okay, so for example, now if you will just open your website in a private window. Now if you will go to kukucourses.com, so now guys, it will only going to show the first image to your visitors. Now as you all know that below this website I have more images, so that images will not be loaded in front of your website visitors until and unless he scrolls. Okay, so when I will scroll down, so then only the bottom images will going to upload. So this is the feature of the lazy load. That means it will not going to show everything at once to your website visitors. Whatever website visitors want to see, according to that your website will going to show him data, not everything at bulk. Okay, so this will going to help you to increase the performance of your website and decrease the load time. Okay, so for that purpose we have used the option of lazy load and image dimension. Make sure you enable it. Okay, so I also have actually one online course website. So let me just see that everything is working fine, whether my players are working or not. Okay, let's see. Hey guys, okay, welcome to. It's working it's very smoothly basically. Let's see here. Let's wait for it to get loaded. My website is sorry, my internet speed is quite poor. Actually this video is also very lengthy. Okay, so it takes some time to load the video. Hey guys, so whenever you will come you can see 40 minutes video. Okay, so absolutely everything is working, no need to worry. Okay, so everything is working in my website. So guys, actually I mean to say that whenever you make any changes or enable or disable any settings, so just check your website whether everything is going great or not. So this was the media settings. Now guys, we will go with preload. So it is same as media. Here only your images and videos get affected, and here your text, links, all that thing will be activated. So make sure you just activate it. Now when you will activate it, it will going to ask you your sitemap. So your sitemap will look something like this. So now how you can get that? So whatever domain name you have, for example in my case my domain is this one, then put slash mark, then write here sitemap dot xml, then click on enter. So it will going to show your website's site map. Okay, so you just need to copy this. Just copy this, right click, click on copy, go to your website, right click, click on paste. So this is your sitemap. Now preload links. So now what will going to happen? For example, you can see my website has many links. So now when your visitor, for example, want to click somewhere, so if he will click on, let's say maybe on premium in case, okay, for example in premium, so when he try to click in this link, so before that the premium content will be downloaded in your website visitors browser. So when he will going to open premium, so it will premium link, so it will going to open more faster for your website visitor, right? So this is also one way to increase your time speed, and then you don't have to do anything here. So actually here what we do is the URL to prefetch. So for example in my case, if you will go to tools.pingdom.com. So when you will put your website URL, if you will scroll down, so here you will see the request by domain. So maybe what you can see here, any link, so you can just copy the link and paste it, here as well. So what will going to happen, so for example, if your website send one request to some other website again and again, so to make that thing very much simple, you have to paste the link, so your website will only going to download that link, so it will going to boost your website performance. Okay, so just go to tools.pingdown.com, just search for your website, then uh, here on the request by domain, so here you might see some link. In my case it is not there, so in your case it can also be not there, but for some it may show. So you can just copy the link, right click and click on copy, then right click on paste. If you have some links here, so just put that link here. You can also put some pre-load fonts, so maybe you are using some fonts, so you can just go to your themes and plugins and you can just paste your font, so it will going to load more easily actually. So you can just read about this uh, from need help. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Then just click on save changes. Okay, so now your website will become more faster. Okay, so this is the thing guys. Let's wait for it to get saved. Okay, everything is done now. If let me just refresh my website. Now you can see if someone wants to click on affiliates. Now when your website visitors will try to click on affiliates, so before clicking on this affiliate link content will be downloaded to your website's visitors browser. So you can see it will going to load more fast. You can see it will going to just load more fast. You can see like this. Okay, so for this we use this preload link. So make sure you guys just click on save changes. Okay, so this was the thing I want to tell you about preload.